Family fishing day with a Moroccan twist. We set out early with the fishing rods. We made our way to the bus to get to our destination. We made our way to Roji, best place for fishing. Beautiful views, steep hill, but totally worth it. We got there, we started preparing the barbecue to make our dinner. We were making chicken tagine. So I started off with cutting the onions, adding olive oil, and placing the chicken in the tagine with all the spices. Follow for part 2. Seaside tagine with the family, nothing beats this. We also prepared ete. There you see Utsman preparing his fishing rod.